Hello, so this is going to be a quick video on the EKOL Viper, which I guess is a generic Magnum-y looking blank firer designed to look like a Colt Python or a Colt Anaconda or any of those sort of very famous sort of 357-44 Magnum type guns. Now, annoyingly, I can't show you this one. I filmed a video where I was going to show it and everything, and then I found out I had the wrong cartridges, because when this was sold online it just said 9mm blank, but then it turns out it's not like 9mm blanks that I have like these, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. It's actually ones that are like these but bigger, so I've ordered some now. So it's actually the rimmed 9mm. So the difference is basically that the only real difference is like you have a cartridge roughly the same length, just a bit shorter, but it has you know, a rim on the back. If it will focus on that, maybe not. But the point is that I can't demonstrate of the blank cartridges I have. So I'll just give you a quick look at the gun. It's quite nice. Obviously, because I don't have a UCARA type thing, it's just got that dark blue bit on there and the orange bit there. It's not front venting because it's a UK legal blank firer. So what you do is to open it, you push there and then open the cylinder. And obviously same to close it. I mean, you could also do that like it's a film or whatever, but up to you. You know, you cannot open it and close it by doing that. But yeah, to demonstrate why I can't show you it, this is an already shot blank, by the way, so it won't go off. And that's what the cylinder looks like looking down it. You can see where they basically made it incapable of firing real rounds because it's actually narrower as it goes down. So, you know, a bullet wouldn't be able to go up out of there, it would explode in the thing. But the problem is, obviously, that if I load in one of my regular 9mm type blanks, it won't close properly because they're slightly too long, as you can probably see. So yeah, I've got some of the rimmed 9mm on order now. But yeah, so I can get to close there, but then it won't work because it's jammed the you know, cylinder. So there you go. It looks really good. I'm looking forward to actually, you know, using it as a blank firer. But yeah, annoyingly, because of the fact that I didn't realise it needed rimmed ammunition when I ordered it, I didn't order any rimmed rounds with it. But you know, it's nice double action. It's double action only, as you can see, because if I try and pull this back, everything, like the trigger, moves with that hammer, so it's double action only. No sort of safety on it, but it's a blank firer. But there you go. So I will actually demonstrate this properly when I have the rounds to use it with. But as I said, the problem is at the moment that I do not have any of the rimmed 9mm. So that's what that R stands for on there, if I can get that to focus, maybe. Yeah, where it says 9mm R pack, that's rimmed, rather than just standard 9mm pack. So yeah, just make sure if you're getting one of these, you get the right rounds for it. I think they're sometimes called 380 pack, which makes more sense. I think just because that makes it, you know, easier to distinguish the two. When somebody just says 9mm pack or, you know, 380R pack, you know which exactly one they're talking about rather than putting 9mm or 9mm R. But yeah, so there you go. This looks like it's good fun. This is just about £100. And yeah, I'm looking forward to demonstrating it as a blank firer once I actually get... I know you're not meant to dry fire them, but I don't care. You know, I'm looking forward to actually shooting it, or, you know, blank firing it, when I get the correct rounds for it. So the things that look like this, but just bigger, basically. So a rim's little, this is actually a rim fire rather than a centre fire anyway. But, you know, they're centre fires, but they're, they've got actually a rimmed bit on the back of them. So anyway, then, yeah. So there you go, that's the EKOL Viper. 2.5 is in little snub-nosed barrel. They do these in different barrel lengths if you wanted like a big Dirty Harry style one. But it just costs more for a blank firer that, you know, does the same loud bang anyway, so I'd rather just have a snub nose. So there you go. Looks good, but like I said, sadly, the video I wanted to show you today, I realised in the process of filming it, I couldn't do.